This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Fundamentals. We have set the variable length to 50. What will happen when you click Run? As a teacher, I know now when you select an option and hit Run, it is submitted. I get my students' answers, right? And you can't change it once you hit Run. So let's do this carefully. What's going to happen? When run, set length to 50. Okay. So repeat 3 times. Okay, so this is probably the 3 sides of a triangle. Maybe move forward by length. Wait a minute, what's length? Whoop. Right here, length to 50. So when we say move forward by length, what do we mean? We mean move forward by 50 pixels. Okay, so move forward by 50 pixels. Turn left by 120. Yep, that makes sense. That's what we did before to draw our triangle. Hit the bottom. Oh, and we're going to repeat this. Move forward by length 50, turn again. So we're going to draw a triangle. Yeah, 50 pixel side triangle because length is really 50 when the computer sees it. Let's see. Ta-da! Awesome. Onward.